Hi students, very good morning. I hope that you are following videos regularly. Right. Today in this lecture we are going to deal with respect to packing efficiency. See, this is very simple. If you see, if you buy Lay's packet, so you are very familiar with this. You are going to a shop and you are buying a Lay's packet. Do you think that entire Lay's packet is filled up with the Lay's chips? No. Approximately 25 to 50% will be with gap. Some air will be filled up. Apart from that, the remaining 50% will be filled up with Lay's chips. Right? Now if I ask, what is the percentage of the chips occupying the entire cover? Means what you will be doing? The space occupied by the chips by total volume of the cover into 100. If you do, you will be getting the packing efficiency of the chips. Right? In the same way, packing efficiency, it is determined as the volume occupied by the spheres. The volume occupied by the spheres by the total volume of the unit cell. Suppose if I talk FCC structure, face-centered cubic lattice, means what does that indicate? It indicates that particles are present at the corners as well as the center of the faces. Right? So now I should calculate the particles volume, the volume occupied by the particles. Clear? Here he is saying volume occupied by the spheres, not 4 spheres, don't take. Generally packing efficiency formula is volume occupied by the spheres by the total volume of the cube into 100. If you do, you will be getting packing fraction, okay, or packing efficiency. Right. So first I am taking the example like FCC structure. So now you listen, what is meant by FCC? Face-centered cubic lattice. It is a unit cell consisting of particles at corners as well as the face centers. Clear? Okay. Now, how many units, how many spheres are present? How many particles are present in that FCC? You will be getting as 4, because from corners contribution is 1, from face center it is 3. So totally it is 4. So means you are having 4 spheres. Here it is volume of the spheres occupied. Means you are having 4 spheres side. So it is 4 into volume by total volume of the unit cell into 100. So let us see in detail now. See, I am taking a cube and this one, it is FCC pattern. FCC means particles are present at corner, this corner, this corner, 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 this corner, corner, corner as well as this corner. Along with that face center, this face center, front side, upside, downside, this side. So I am taking one side. I am assuming that it is a cube, right? And side of the cube is A. Means all sides will be A. Now I am taking a triangle. So like this I am taking A, B, C or something like ADC. He has mentioned in triangle ABC. Okay. So A, B, C. If you take this one, what happens? This one is A and this is A. So this AC will be equal to, you know that from mathematics, Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be equal to BC square plus AB square. Right? Clear? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. You know that AB is equal to A. Okay? This AB is equal to A. So it is A square. You know BC is also equal to A because we are assuming that side as A. So BC is also equal to A square. So what happens? AC square will be equal to 2A square. So AC square will be equal to, he is assuming that AC square is equal to B square. Nothing happens. So AC square is equal to 2A square. AC will be equal to root 2 into A. So this is the value of AC. Be clear with this. Now you take like this diagonal. Okay, this diagonal value you have got root 2A. In one more way, what I have said, you should assume this one as the center of the sphere. Okay. This corner, this particle should be placed at the center of the sphere. Here also center of the sphere. At face also it will be present, right? So it is the center of the sphere. Here also center of the sphere, this one. So what happens? Here to here distance R radius. Here to here radius. Again here to here radius. Here to here radius. Means how many radius are there? 4 radius are there. So this AC is also equal to 4R. So AC equal to 4R. AC is equal to root 2A. Getting this? He has assumed as AC as B. So B is equal to root 2A and B is equal to 4R. Since these two are equal, 4R should be equal to root 2A. Okay. And A is equal to 4R by root 2. It is equal to 2 root 2R. Getting me? So the value of side in terms of radius, it is A root 2R. A relation with radius. This is clear. Going for the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means volume occupied by the spheres. How many spheres are there in the entire FCC? 4 are there, right? So it is 4 into volume of each sphere. It is 4 by 3 pi r cube by this volume. What is the volume here? Volume of the cube means you can write it as a cube, right? See, you know that side is a for this cube. If I take entire volume, it is equal to a cube. Okay? If I assume that side as a, the entire volume will be a cube. So it is a cube in the denominator. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. And a can be written as in this way, 2 root 2 r. A is equal to 2 root 2 r. So in place of a, you can keep it as 2 root 2 r whole cube. So that if you substitute the values, what you will be getting? 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100. So that you will be getting 16 root 2 r cube, that is equal to 74%. Okay. So this is the denominator value, this one. 8 into 2 into 2 into 2. You will be getting 8. This root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So that you will be getting 2 root 2. So 8 into 2, 16 root 2 r cube. It is in the denominator value. Upper one, you will be getting 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100. Okay. That percentage is equal to 74%. So in FCC, 74% of the unit cell is filled up and remaining 26 is empty space, or we can call it as void. Getting this? In FCC structure, the packing efficiency is 74%. Packing efficiency means volume of the spheres by total volume of the cube. Into 100 you will be getting in percentage. So volume of the sphere means how many spheres are there are also gets into count, right? So number of spheres in FCC it is 4 and volume of each sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. A you can write it as in this way. That's why to get the value of a only we have done all this. Okay, again I am repeating. You are taking ABC triangle. Okay, this one is A, AB is A, BC is A. So that AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be equal to A square plus A square. So AC will be equal to root 2A. And AC this side you are having R, R, R. Because this entire thing if you assume as R, here the space center also particle will be present. So this is R, this is R, this is R, this is R. So 4 radius. So 4R is equal to root 2A. If you subject A, you will be getting 2 root 2R. And you keep that value here. Clear? Okay. Okay students, now take for BCC. BCC means what? Body centered cubic lattice. The particle is present at the center of the body also. Corners plus body center. Okay. Corners, see, dotted lines he has represented. Corners. And body center also. Inside the cube also it will be present. So what I am doing is, I am taking this one. See, A, F, D. Okay. Or you can go for first another way of calculating. E, F, D. Clear? This one. Side is same. This is the entire cube. Side is A. This is E, F, D. In EFD triangle, EF square plus ED square will be equal to FD square. Clear? I am taking this one. EFD, this triangle. EF square plus ED square is equal to FD square. Clear? So I am assuming FD as B. So B square will be equal to this A square plus this A square. So that B square is equal to A square plus A square, it is equal to 2A square. So B will be equal to root 2A. This value. Now what I am doing is A, D, F I am taking. So A, D, F. A particle is present here. Body center also particle is present. So this one F is present at the corner. Okay, here particle is present in F. Okay, at point F. Here also particle is present. So that AD value I know. This is the side, right? This is equal to A. FD value I know. FD value is how much? I have got this value root 2A. And I want AF value. Clear? First I have calculated EFD triangle, this diagonal. Now I am linking this diagonal to this triangle AFD. Clear? So AD is equal to A. DF is equal to root 2A. This is what I have got. And AF value I wanted. Okay. I am assuming that AF is equal to C. So what happens? AF square will be equal to AD square plus DF square. Again I am repeating. AF square will be equal to AD square plus DF square. This is the thing. So C will be equal to, this is C square. This C square will be equal to A square plus root 2A whole square. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. B value you know that this one. So A square plus 2A square. B value is root 2A. You are taking square, right? Okay. So A square plus 2A square. This is equal to 3A square. So if you send square this side, what happens? C will be equal to root 3a. So this value is root 3a. But see here, this is r, r. So you are having particle at the body center, right? This is radius, and this is here to here radius, and here to here it is radius. So what happens? 4r. So 4r will be equal to this c diagonal, right? This AF is the diagonal. It is equal to c. So c will be equal to what? 4r, and c is equal to root 3a. So what happens? C is equal to 4r because we are having this one, and AF is equal to root 3a. So root 3a should be equal to 4r, and a is equal to 4r by root 3. R value will be getting root 3 by 4 a. Okay. Now what we want? We want packing efficiency, right? Packing efficiency, if you see, volume occupied by the spheres. How many spheres you will be getting from the BCC? One at corners and one at body center. So two you will be getting. So it is 2 into volume of each is 1 is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 by what is a cube? A cube value. This is the a value, right? If you cube it, 4r by 3 whole cube. Okay, 4r by 3 whole cube. You will be getting in terms of percentage. So 8 by 3 pi r cube into 100 by 64, 3 root 3 r cube. It is equal to 68%. So for BCC means 68% in BCC is occupied by the particles, and the remaining thing, how much? It is 32. Okay, 32% is empty. So 32% void is present in BCC. In FCC, if you go, 74% it is occupied. The packing efficiency is 74%. And remaining something like 28% is void gap. Okay. Now let us go for the another cell, that is our primitive cell. You try this one by yourself. This is very simple. No need to go for heavy calculations. So packing efficiency, it is nothing but volume of one atom only. Why? Because the efficiency will be what? You will be having only at corners. So only at corners means here particle, or you can take A and H. These are the particles. So like this. So this side, you know, this side is A. Clear? Let me see here. Anything has been mentioned. Okay. Side is A, and that will be equal to 2r. So you doesn't have any particle in the face center. You doesn't have any particle in the body center. So if you take this side, so let me represent in terms of diagram. So the particle is present only at the corners. So no force center, like this. I am assuming this one. This is the condition. So if I take from here to here, it is R. From here to here, it is R. And I know this is side A. So A is equal to 2R. This is the condition. Okay. How many atoms you will be getting? Packing efficiency means number of atoms. How many are there? You will be having only at corner side 1 by 8 into 8. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. Okay. Into 100 if you do, you will be getting. So, and you know that a value is equal to 2r. So if you substitute 2r here, you will be getting 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2r whole cube into 100. Clear? For primitive cell, you will be having only at the corners. So if I do this one, so packing efficiency is nothing but volume of one atom. So it is 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2r whole cube. A value is 2r. So 8r whole cube into 100, you will be getting pi by 6 into 100. So sometimes without asking, he will be asking pi by 6 value only. Okay. So the packing efficiency will be equal to 52.4%. Okay. For primitive cell, the packing efficiency is 52.4 because you will be having only one particle. For BCC, you will be having two particles, right? Entire contribution is 2. So that the packing efficiency should be increased because two particles means more volume will be occupied. So 68% is occupied. For primitive, only one cell. So it is 52% it is occupied. Clear? 52.4%. For BCC, it is 68%. If you go for FCC, in FCC, how many particles are there? 4 particles are there. Means the volume should be occupied is much more. So it is 74%. So these are the things, students. We have one more thing with respect to density as well as HCP and diamond also. Regarding this, we will be learning in the next lecture. So you will be clear. So A value with radius. So if I ask in FCC, what is the relation between A and R? So it is A is equal to root 2R. Sorry, A is equal to 2 root 2R. In FCC, A is equal to 2 root 2R. Suppose in BCC, if I ask, their relation is root 3A is equal to 4R. This is the important relation. Root 3A is equal to 4R. This is the important relation between side as well as the radius in terms of BCC. Suppose if I go in terms of FCC, A is equal to 2 root 2R. This is the important relation. Suppose if I go for primitive cell, A is equal to 2R. This is the relation. So packing efficiency of FCC is 74%. For BCC it is 68%, and for primitive cell it is 52.4%. Okay students, I hope that you have understood this. If you have your materials, once open that and you try to practice all the questions with respect to this. Anyhow, in tomorrow class we will be discussing with respect to problems. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.